guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, I'm going to be talking about the 5 must-have winter essentials for 2019 to help you slay the winter. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those two. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. These are 5 essentials that I think you need to really slay the game this winter, okay? You're gonna be looking stylish. I'm all about layering. You'll see that with some of these things that I've chosen. Obviously, depending on where you are in the world, it's gonna get a lot colder than like it does where I am, or like you're not gonna get winter at all, okay? So I've kind of tailored this to what I personally wear during the winter. Let's start off with essential number 1, a black turtleneck. I cannot tell you my undying love for a turtleneck. I love them. I think they're brilliant. They look sleek, they look elegant, they look put together. If I'm trying to look like extra snatched, I'm trying to look like extra put together and clean lines and killing it, then I always go for a black bodysuit turtleneck. My favorite one is from Commando. It is literally the thinness of tights, okay? And I like that because that kind of thin but closely woven together fabric keeps the heat in, okay? So although it's like thin, I layer it. It's so warm, so cozy. Ooh, silhouette, killing it, you know? What a moment, what a vibe. I'm so here for a black turtleneck. Okay, so the second essential, I really thought about whether or not to include things like a hat and gloves and whatever, because some of these are like mindless, like, you know, come on. But you need a scarf. Not just any scarf. You need a thick, soft, warm, semi-statementy, you know, she could be a bad bitch in her own right, stylish scarf. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Acne Studios Jacquard scarf. Okay, I obviously have it in the light grey. It's basically light grey on one side, a slightly darker grey on the other side, and it just says Acne Studios on it. And this is massive. She thick. She hella thick, okay? She is just going to bundle you up, wrap you up. You could have it, you know, when they do it with this thing, when they put the hole through. You know, how like, a lot of men like to do this. I think it's easier for them. Oh, you could do a this moment, just like, oh, just casual, you know, just like bundle up, whatever, you know. I just love this scarf. I feel like it's such a staple. It comes in so many different colours. If you want something a little bit more out there, or you just want black and white, or you want greys or whatever, honestly, Acne is killing it. It's not the most ridiculous price as well for a designer scarf. I would highly recommend. Next staple is, okay, so obviously you need a coat, and obviously this is going to be style dependent. I think everyone needs a great puffer jacket. Emphasis on the word great, okay? I'm not talking about a North Face moment here, okay? I'm talking about a stylish puffer jacket that works for your body shape, your body type, and is just going to give you that like casual, trendy flex, okay? So there's a puffer jacket for everyone, okay? You know that you can go down the Moncler route and you can get more like a streamlined, straight cut puffer jacket. You can get a belted one if you're into that vibe. I like a good, oversized, thick puffer jacket, okay? I love the shine on this particular one. This one is from Kenzo. It is just cut straight off, and it just, oh, it gives me that like nonchalance, that like luxury coziness. So jump on the puffer jacket train, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the next item, which I am wearing, is a well-cut knitted jumper. You know what? When it comes to the winter months, you just want to be cozy. You want to be indoors, you want to be cozy, you want to be like snuggled up with a blanket, with a cup of hot cocoa, with like Christmas films on the TV that you have seen 27 times. You know all of the words. Love Actually, The Holiday are my personal classics. But yeah, that is all you want to be. And I feel like a jumper personifies that in a trendy way that you can wear outside of the house. This one is from And Other Stories, and I am a huge fan, okay? All of these items I'm talking about will be linked below. They themselves have a fantastic selection of jumpers, so I would definitely go on there. Really not ridiculously priced at all. But yes, so you know what? They're cozy. I feel like, especially if you streamline it, so what I do is I will always wear one of these with skinny jeans because it's a little bit more tight to the body, or leggings. You know me, I love this with a leather leggings look. Oh, the difference in textures just really makes it. Yeah, so I like to have a kind of like big, oversized, cozy top, a little bit more slim fit leggings, so it kind of balances the look out. And honestly, oh, it just makes you feel, it gives you that whole wintry vibe that is just so delicious and amazing. And finally, the fifth must-have winter essential, I believe, are ankle boots. But specifically this kind of ankle boots, okay? You have seen these Prada ones on my channel for a little bit. If you follow me on Instagram, I am really quite loving them at the moment. The vibe is kind of like Timberlandy, but not. And they are just great. The heel height is so easy to walk in for every day in case you want to, you know, stomp around the city, living your life. They can work dressed up or dressed down. Truly, these shoes know no bounds. Ankle boots for winter, they're warm, they give you like a little bit of flex. Like, what more do you want from like a trusty shoe, you know? Do you have any other winter essentials that I may have missed out? Let me know. Let me know what you think of my choices as well. I'm going to link to another video here in case you want to carry on the party with me, you know, I don't know how you want to spend your time. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.